Hello Jenny lovers, you're welcome once again to Jennifer Chris. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Say you guys, today I'll be making my jumbo box braids from the scratch using these French curls that I created by myself. So you guys, if you haven't watched my previous video where I created these French curls, please make sure you watch that video. Please you guys go back and watch the video to learn how to make French curls by yourself. So on this channel you all know that we are all about do it yourself here. I teach you how to do beautiful makeup and beautiful hairs by yourself. So if you like what we do on this channel, please smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you get notified once I upload a new video. So you guys, do not click out and keep watching.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead.
So you guys, what happened here was that I lost the video, the remaining part of the video that I did, and here was like 5 days or a week after I made the hair, but I still wanted to show you what the hair looks like even after a week. It still looks popping, you guys, it still looks great. Okay, so yeah, this is me rocking my hair to work about a week after I made it. So yeah, I still wanted to put this content out for you guys, even though I lost some part of the video. So you guys keep watching. So you guys, this is like some days after, about 4 or 5 days after, I think even close to almost a week after I made my hair, and for some reasons I didn't get a picture or a video of this hair before time, but I just want to show you like 4 or 5 days or like almost a week after I made this hair. I just want to show you what it looks like right now. Yeah, it still looks nice and popping, and yeah, so let me show you what it looks like at the moment.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be